nice one, guys. So basically, you can see exactly what's going on right here. I'm going to make a beautiful, fantastic cup of tea right here. Alright, so I got some lime, and I'm going to squeeze some lime juice into the cup. Alright, see that? I'm using one lime. Nice one. Fantastic. Now, I'm going to put some hot water, roughly about half cups. Alright. As you can see, exactly what I've been doing right here. Alright. Now, what I'm going to do is get 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, shake it up. 1 teaspoon, that's eye measurement. Alright. Where's my favorite? Going to put some ginger powder, roughly about half teaspoon of ginger powder. Alright. I'm gonna put a little bit more in it. Gonna taste it. Wow. Wow. Okay, guys. Apple cider vinegar, grounded ginger powder, and lemon or lime juice. So what we're going to do, pimento seed. We're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4 pimento seed in it. As you can see, look at that, lovely and nice. Then I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3 piece of a lemon. Then what you're gonna do? Drink. 1 cup before you go to bed tonight, and 1 cup in the morning before breakfast. That's what you wanna do with this drink. It is amazing, and 100%, guys, you will love this one. Honestly, it is just fantastic and an amazing. 100%, 100%, you will love this. Alright? Now, as I say, if you drink this, can help you to lose weight and detox in your body. So basically, I normally drink this at 12 o'clock at night. Beautiful. Fantastic and amazing. It's just lovely. The flavor, the taste, and the texture is amazing. Look at that. Fantastic, beautiful, tastes really nice. It is amazing. Beautiful drink for you to have at night. Honestly, it's amazing, fantastic. The flavor, the taste, wow. So you want to drink this before you go to your bed. Very, very good for weight loss and detoxing and also cleansing of the body. Yeah, apple cider vinegar, either lime or lemon, and pimento seed. Beautiful. You wanna drink this three night before you go to your bed, or in the morning on an empty stomach. Lovely. Please do some research. Please do some research. Please do not use any honey inside of it. Drink it natural. Nice. I love it. Fantastic and an amazing. It is beautiful. I love it. The flavor and the taste, it is amazing. Look at that. Wow. This is nice. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Wow. So this is the last thing you want to drink before you go to your bed tonight. Alright? You just want to drink before you go to your bed tonight. Yeah, the pimento seed, very, very good. Very good for you. Yeah. Yeah, really nice. Best tea ever I drink so far. Honestly, it's amazing. It's so nice. I love it. Wow. Nice one. So, guys, drink it before you go to your bed and do some research. Alright, so this is a pimento seed right here. Pimento seed. Alright, those little black thing you see in it, that's the pimento seed from Jamaica. Wow. Yeah, it's really nice. I love it. Fantastic and amazing. Very good for cold and flu and warm up the body. You know what I mean? Yeah. Nice one. Amazing. That is lovely. No sugar, no honey, no milk, no butter. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Alright? Bye bye. Yeah, man. Look at that. Amazing. Wow. Wow. That is lovely. See you next time. Bye bye.